So here it is, guys. The racing simulator has been upgraded. It looks so sick. I'm not even sure if you guys could tell the difference, but look, guys, this is honestly the finished product and it looks insane. Before we get to that, what do you guys think? I love these upgrades, especially with the new integrated monitor stand. I mean, look at those cables, by the way. They're all gold. The only thing that you can see is one cable over there, and that's the extension cable that goes into the plug for the PC monitor and all those cables, blah blah blah. But yeah, that is it, guys. It looks so sick. And the chair, we have a chair too. We'll get to that next. All right, in case you guys are wondering, let me just give you a brief rundown as to what I've changed. Before, I had the standalone monitor stand, and now I've gone for the integrated one because it just makes everything more like compact. As you can see, there's nothing sticking out on the sides. It's just one whole unit, right? And another thing that I've done, I've added a PC tray at the back, as you can see. Before, the PC was on the right, just over there, but now I've put it at the back. So when I want to basically pull out this whole simulator towards the back or towards the right, wherever, I could just move it along, and I don't have to move things separately like the PC or the monitor. It's all one unit, and that's exactly what I wanted, and that's exactly what I got. And honestly, guys, I think it looks insane. It's just so compact. Another thing I changed was this wheel. This wheel, right, is a 12-inch wheel, and that's the old one, and that was really small. I mean, it wasn't really small, but it was small. It was small for me, so I went for the bigger wheel. In fact, this is a lot better. Another addition to the setup is this. Honestly, guys, that looks so sick. I mean, obviously it's not needed, yeah, but I like these kind of quirky things in it, and I always wanted one of these. I know it sounds a bit weird. Because I wanted to go for that whole race car feeling, I decided to go for one of these. And the reason why I'm not saying the name, let me just sit down, is because I can't pronounce it. Fire extinguisher. Yeah. Fire extinguisher. Whatever. I went for that and it looks so sick. I mean... Look at it. Honestly, guys, how sick is that, isn't it? It just gives you that feeling that you're in a race car. And another thing, guys, you saw it here first. A number plate for your racing simulator. How sick is that? That's insane, right? And these are 4D, as you can see. And guys, by the way, I am selling these. So if you are interested, we do make these in-house now, and we will be selling them. So if you are interested, drop your comments down below, or drop me a DM on the FuelTheForce Instagram account and tell me what you guys want. And it could be any text, any format, you know what I mean, as long as it fits at the back of your simming racing cockpit. Anyway, I can't speak today because I'm not 100% well. Yeah, but if you're interested, drop me your comments down below or drop me a DM on Instagram, and then we can make these for you and send them your way. But honestly, guys, how sick does this look? Let me go back a bit. Come on, guys, that is no joke, innit? That looks so sick. Anyway, get over it. This is my new chair by GTO Omega, and guys, check this baby out. This chair is a beast. A bit like me, it's a beast. Honestly, guys, I'm not gonna lie, this car, see what I mean? It's so good. Like I said, it was a bloody car. This chair is so comfortable. I'm telling you, man, my backside loves this chair. It's humongous. By the way, this is a leather edition, or the leather version to the chair. This looks so beautiful. It's a lovely looking chair, but this is just the fabric version, so it's a good comparison actually, guys, if you guys are interested. And the quality and the badging on all of this is crazy. You've got some badging here as well in metal, and it looks so sick. Just like the finishing touches on this chair is crazy. I didn't expect it to be this good, and the base is massive because I'm a big guy and I need a comfortable chair. And honestly, guys, I could go to sleep in this chair. It's got many positions. You could tell it towards the back. The arms move as well. It's got a lot of stuff that moves basically. And honestly, guys, I'm not just saying it, it is a set chair. If you guys are interested, do go and check it out. Oh yeah, it's got a bit of suede here, or as they say on cars, they have Alcantara. It's kind of sick. Let me move the light back. What else? Oh yes, how can we forget? Remember, my keyboard was on top of my PC, which was over there. However, now thanks to GT Omega, I got the sickest keyboard tray. Watch this. Whee! me? How sick is that? Honestly, guys, that is a solid keyboard tray and it weighs good weight. It's not cheap. Honestly, guys, this stuff is very well built. You could tell this is some seriously quality stuff put together. Because before I had my keyboard on top of the PC, which is there now. However, this thing was needed for my setup, to be fair. It's so much easier to get into the sim as well. Look, you can just move it out. Then you can move it in. Honestly, guys, well done, GT Omega. I reckon that's a brilliant quality keyboard tray. Another thing I went for was for these headphones. Remember I was telling you guys I went to upgrade the headphones. I went for these. These are really cheap, 20-30 quid. I can't even remember. But they replaced my old Razer ones. Those were outdated, uncomfortable, and they had a wire. So I wanted something wireless. So far, so good, because I think I've put them on once, twice, and they were okay. I'm happy with this, especially for the price. Really good, and it's wireless, which is sick. What else did I do? Oh yeah, the gloves. I didn't change the gloves. I stuck with these gloves. A lot of these racing gloves, they're not the best, like especially the cheaper ones, unless you go for pro gloves. So I just decided to stick with my cycling gloves. Anywho, off topic, new investment. Check out the GTR. Beautiful, from the Fast and Furious. Pretty sick. And I've got that sign thingy over there as well. Anyway, guys, I just thought I'll show you guys these new upgrades. The previous video done pretty well. You guys were really interested in seeing the whole setup. So I thought rather than going through a whole building process or putting this stuff together, you guys just wanted to see the end result. So this is it. This is the new racing simulator. Hopefully I am going to be more active on this. I haven't really used it or gamed on it much, if I'm being honest. I just haven't had the time. But yeah, man, hopefully I'll be making more racing simulator content very soon. But anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have, please give it a like, leave your comments down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I don't know what else I need to say. But yeah, that is it. I love my racing simulator. Hope you guys love it too. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.